Do you want to make a man want you more but do not know how to do it? In this video, I will teach you everything you need to know about making a man want you more. Here are 8 simple and effective steps that you can try. 1. Be mysterious. It's no secret that men love a good mystery. If you want to make a man want you more, you need to keep him guessing. Play hard to get by being elusive and hard to read. Don't always be available when he calls or texts you. When you do finally see him, make sure your attitude is cool and aloof. The less he knows about what's going on in your head, the more he'll want to figure it out. 2. Be confident. Confidence is key when trying to make a man want you more. No one wants to be around someone who is unsure of themselves and constantly worried about what others think. If you want to grab a man's attention, show him that you are comfortable in your own skin and that you believe in yourself. Be proud of who you are and what you have to offer, and let him see it. A confident woman is attractive to any man, so own your confidence and let it shine through. 3. Don't be too available. When we want something, it's natural to do everything in our power to get it. And when it comes to making a man want you more, most women resort to playing hard to get. Ironically, this is the worst thing you can do. If you're always busy and never have time for him, he'll start to wonder why you're not putting in the effort. He'll begin to question your interest in him and may eventually lose interest altogether. Instead of playing hard to get, be available when he wants to see you, but don't be too available. Make sure you have other things going on in your life so he knows that you're not just waiting around for him. This will make him want you more because he'll know that you're a valuable woman who is worth his time. 4. Compliment him. When it comes to getting a man to want you more, complimenting him is key. Men love to feel appreciated, and nothing makes them feel more appreciated than a well-placed compliment. So if you want to make your man feel special, start by telling him what you love about him. Compliment his looks, his intelligence, his sense of humor, anything that you genuinely admire. And make sure your compliments are specific. Generic comments like "you're so handsome" or "you're so smart" won't have as much of an impact as something like "I love the way you take care of me when I'm feeling down." The key is to be genuine in your compliments and to focus on the things that matter to him. 5. Touch him. Touching a man is one of the easiest ways to make him want you more. It can be as simple as brushing your hand against his arm when you're talking or reaching up to touch his face when you're kissing. Touching him communicates that you want him and desire him. It also releases oxytocin, the cuddle hormone, which makes both of you feel happy and connected. 6. Be fun and playful. One of the best ways to make a man want you more is to have fun and be playful around him. Men love women who can let loose and have a good time. Show him that you're not just another serious woman, but that you also have a fun and light-hearted side. Make sure to laugh at his jokes, tease him in a playful way, and generally try to keep things light and upbeat when you're around him. This will show him that you're someone worth chasing after, and he won't be able to resist trying to get closer to you. 7. Be feminine and soft. There is something about a woman being soft and feminine that just makes a man want her more. Maybe it's the way she smells or the way she moves. Whatever it is, if you want to make a man want you more, start by being soft and feminine. Smile and laugh often. A happy woman is a sexy woman. Be gentle when you touch him. Touch him lightly on the arm when you talk to him or run your fingers through his hair. Be receptive when he talks to you. Listen attentively and respond in an interested way. Be flirty and playful. Tease him and make fun of him in a loving way. 8. Be yourself. When you want to make a man want you more, the best thing you can do is be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not, because he will eventually see through your act and it will only push him away. Be genuine and authentic in your interactions with him and let your personality shine through. When he sees who you really are, he'll start to appreciate and want you more for it. In conclusion, there are many ways to make a man want you more. The most important thing to do is to enjoy spending time with them and let them know you appreciate them so much. By following these tips, you can make any man want you more. If you enjoy watching this video, please support my channel by clicking on the like and subscribe button. Also, please consider watching my other videos to learn more about how you can improve yourself each day.